of the night.
Welcome back to my channel. I've seen this trend on YouTube going around. I specifically saw Sophia Nygaard and Cassie Diamond do it, where every day for 1 week they dressed as a different YouTuber, and I thought it was super fun. So I took inspiration from their video, and today I will be dressing up as my favorite YouTubers for a week. I chose YouTubers that honestly I feel like have a very specific, iconic style, and I could replicate easy but also have a challenge. So if you're upset that I didn't do one of your favorite YouTubers, make sure to comment it down below and I might do a part 2. But if you haven't seen last week's video yet, I am currently doing a back to school supplies giveaway, which is still on for another week. So just tap the I, if I remember to put it up, click that and go watch the video to see how you can enter if you haven't entered yet. And if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, because the month of August I have a lot of really fun, exciting videos I'm super excited to share with you guys. But yeah, that's basically it for this intro. Now let's just get on to the video.
If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me in my...
Alright, so Monday I started off with one of my favorite YouTubers and the queen of Instagram, Alicia Marie. I feel like she has a very specific style, and it's sort of my style, but at the same time it's completely not. Like, it's just a bunch of blush pink, white, denim, all those bright pastel retro colors. So I definitely wanted to start off with her for Monday. I started off by wearing this blush pink dusty corduroy skirt because it just reminded me of her, because I feel like she always wears pink and skirts. And then I just paired it with this white basic tee that I tied, and then I just wore this denim jacket because I feel like she always wears denim and I thought it would look really good with the outfit. And then finally, it's Alicia Marie. She, I feel like, always has really cute accessories, so I just wore these. It's like the same color as the skirt, sort of a dusty rosy pink, glasses, and they're a very interesting cat eye shape, so I thought it would be cool. I feel like she's known for having a bomb Instagram feed, so I decided to, as being Alicia Marie for the day, I went out and I got some Instagram pictures.
We all grow old, so don't tell me how to act or how we should be. All we want is to be free. We don't want to be like you. You see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following the heartbeats. We don't want to be like you.
So that was me being Alicia Marie. Obviously, I'm not as photogenic as her and don't have as nice of a feed, but it was really fun sort of being Alicia Marie. And the outfit wasn't too uncomfortable, honestly. It was very breezy because it's super warm here because it's summer, obviously. So I think I'm gonna rate this outfit honestly like a 9.5 out of 10 because it's honestly super me and I thought it was super cute. So yeah, that was Monday. Alright, so for Tuesday I went with like a very iconic YouTuber vlogger. I went with David Dobrik. So his outfit was honestly very basic, but I didn't realize how warm it is, especially because it's being summer, how much I'd be sweating it. So I just started off with a black baseball cap because I feel like David wears this every single either vlog or Instagram picture. I just see him always wearing a black baseball cap, so I knew I had to wear that to be David. And then I didn't really know what bottoms. I see him always wearing black jeans. So that's what I did. I just wore these black plain jeans, and then I didn't know if I should wear a black sweater or black shirt, so I was wearing both. So I just had this plain black pullover sweater that I wore with the whole outfit. And I feel like David always vlogs, so that's what I did to be David. I vlogged for the day, so... comfortable, but it wasn't very stylish in my opinion. Like, nothing against David, he rocks it, but I just like more color and more layers and patterns and all that stuff. So I think I'm gonna rate it, I don't know, like a 5 or a 4, just because it was very plain and it was super warm. I was wearing very thick jeans with a sweater in the middle of the summer, so it was very heavy is what I'm trying to say. So yeah.
When I think about the way we used to be.
Alright, so for Wednesday, I went with Mamma Mia Makeup, which is Mia Stammer. I love her so much. And so to be Mia, I just wore these. These are light wash denim ripped jeans because I feel like she always wears them. And then I just wore this white off the shoulder shirt which sort of has like ruffles and stuff, and then I wore my hair in like a half up half down because I feel like she always has that hairdo. So I thought this outfit was very Mia, and she has the cutest dog in the world, Ken, so I decided as being Mia I would walk my dog, so that's what I did. Alright, so honestly, I really liked the outfit. It was very cute and very light, and I really liked it. So I think I'm gonna rate it maybe like an 8. It wasn't my favorite outfit of the week, but I thought it was super, super cute. So now on to Thursday.
I've been trying hard to keep my...
Alright, so for Thursday, I went for the king of YouTube himself, Shane Dawson. I love him so much. He's literally my favorite YouTuber, and I already had everything to be him, so that was pretty awesome. And obviously, if you're going to be Shane Dawson, you need to wear his pig shirt. I've had this pig shirt for a while now. I love it so much because it's just very iconic. And then I'm just wearing the same black jeans that I wore for David Dobrik's look. And I went to Chipotle because I feel like Shane always goes to Chipotle because he has like a Chipotle card. So yeah.
Nobody can bring us down, bring us down. But I don't wanna if you love me. 'Cause I don't wanna if you love me.
Honestly, I really liked this outfit. It was sort of the same, just like black on black, but the shirt had some pattern. So I think I'm going to rate it 8, I guess. I really liked it, and I feel like I usually wear this outfit to school a lot. So I guess I dress like Shane a lot. So now on to the final day, which is...
Woo! The sunrise, late nights.
Alright, so for Friday, I went with Emma Chamberlain, who has blown up on YouTube in the past couple months. I love her. She's so funny. So for Emma, she always wears like velvet scrunchies. So I had one, I don't have it right now, I don't know where it went, but it was mustard yellow, so I wore that in my hair because I feel like she's always wearing a scrunchie in a long, loose ponytail. And then I just went with these light wash denim cut-up shorts because honestly, I feel like the other 4 outfits were sort of easy because I just go on Instagram, but I didn't know what to wear for her, so I sort of had an interpretation of what she would wear almost. So I just wore the shorts, and then I just wore, because she always goes thrifting and finds cute graphic tees and stuff, so I just have this, but I thought it was really cute, so I tucked it in. And then I also wore a belt. I feel like Emma is just known for drinking iced coffee, so that's what I did to be Emma Chamberlain.
Up all of our mistakes, what we have done. We're supposed to be young, dumb, and free. Thought that we'd never be mean. Hoping that you see what we could be before we throw it all away. And pride's forsaken both of us.
Alright, so I really liked Emma's outfit. I think I'm gonna rate it maybe like a 9 because it was like a perfect summer outfit, and it was very comfortable and very stylish in my opinion. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment below which YouTuber you think I did the best on, or if you want me to do another YouTuber, or if you want me to do another one of these types of videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because I upload every single Sunday, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye!